Hey guys, sorry I haven't posted in a long time. I fractured my wrist, and yeah, I'm going to be showing my cat here, my fidget toys that I have. My room is a tiny bit of a mess. I'm very sorry. So first we have the fidget spinner. See if I can pull it off for her. I really hope you guys can see the stuff. Crazy girl. Okay, she's very interested in the fidget spinner. Second of all, the Rubik's Cube. She doesn't really care. The rubber band ball that I made today, and it's really horrible. No, of course. This thing. I'm too scared to use it because it has a hole in it. And these twist thingies. She's looking up. I don't know if you can see. Probably not. She's pawing on it. And last but not least, we can't forget our good old friend, the yo-yo. Eat. Yeah, she likes it, but I can't really do it well since she's there. Okay, guys. I just want to see, because I haven't posted in a long time and I didn't really have any ideas. She's being crazy right now. Right, little girl? Yeah. Hope you have a good day, guys. A new video's coming up tomorrow. Bye!